Hi Naveen,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Naveen, introduce yourself and about your college and native.
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am G. Naveen Kumar. I have studied my graduation in Siddartha College, which is located in Puttur. And after that, I completed my interior design management training in a training institute, which is located in Bangalore. My native village is Karnool, ma'am, which is located near Nandyala. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, like have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
I got to know about some social media, ma'am, and from friends of friends, they recommended me to join it.
Okay, like your friends also completed the course here. How it is?
Yeah, ma'am. After they completed only, we came to know about the same day institute, ma'am. So they got placed in this institute, ma'am, from this institute.
Okay, that's nice. Like which course you have taken?
So I had taken BIM plus IDM, ma'am.
Like you have took the interior design management.
Management and yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What are the new topics you have learned and how the topics help you out?
From my college and from this institute, we came to know about so much differences, ma'am, in education. So there, totally, we came to know about only the textbooks and the site, ma'am. So after joining the institute, which has taken the course of interior design management, I came to know about the interior design planning and about the materials which will be used in the interior design management.
Okay, Naveen, like for which mode you have joined, like offline, hybrid, or online?
I had taken hybrid mode, joined on
Okay,
June 15th batch.
okay, like how was the schedules update you were getting?
Yeah, those are our schedules and timetable which I came joined in WhatsApp group. Ma'am, there are time to time we are getting the timetable, and the class are connecting regularly, ma'am.
How was the trainer support? Like you were attending in the online, like a mode
Yes,
of
ma'am.
online, right? So how
Yeah,
was the trainer support in the sessions time?
the trainers and the mentor supports is very friendly, ma'am. I mean, if we are asking questions, they are responding very goodly, ma'am.
What was your previous company job?
Yeah, I had worked in Sneha Farms, ma'am, as an
Okay,
site engineer.
okay. So why you chosen this course again? Like you were already working, so then why you have changed your mind and joined for the course?
Yeah, I'm actually at the time of in college only, I'm interested in interior designing, ma'am. So after completion of the college, my relatives are in construction field, ma'am. They had taken there, ma'am. So after that, my friends are joining. I said no previously they had, I mean, taken the course in CMT Institute. So through them, after that, I came to CMT Institute.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was your site visits conducted? Like where are the sites you have covered and showroom visits?
Yeah, ma'am, we had came to Bangalore, ma'am, for test site visit. So we had visited the IKEA and home interiors, homeland, and so on, so on. I mean,
Okay, what you have learned in the site visits? What were the output of site visits and showroom visits?
yeah, ma'am. At the time we had which we had learned in hybrid online mode, ma'am. So they had just been orally they had said about this is a plywood and this is the sound. So this is the finish, ma'am. At the time of site which we came to know about, we could see directly, ma'am, about the plywood and the type of finishes and which of.
Like see, for freshers, how important is an opportunities in entering industry, right? What do you want to suggest for a fresher who are thinking like for which role we have to go like that? What you will suggest?
Yeah, ma'am. Mostly freshers will think that there are no openings for that. For us, there won't be taken any opportunities. We would not be considered like that. But we had learned properly and sincerely. It will be there will be opportunity for all of
Okay,
us.
how was their interview preparation? Like how you started preparing for your interview and how you cracked your interview?
So, ma'am, after completion of course, I came to know about the CMT app and the website, ma'am, which is in Google, ma'am. So from there, I had preparing the like the portfolio and report. There, some questions, prepaid questions also there. So from there, I came to know about the interview questions on ma'am. I prepared through them.
Okay. Like, how was your round when you attended the interview, right? What was the round and how you performed the round?
At the I went for the offline, ma'am, for the interview. There they had conducted about from 3 rounds, ma'am, basically. So round one, round one, round the round three. Round one is basically of basic questions of self introduction and all, ma'am. And round two is about like they had given a plan and something, ma'am. Try to draw something. So I had make it in SketchUp and make it happen. And third round is an HR round, ma'am. They came to know. They said about the role and how it will be and about the package and
Okay, now for which role you have selected for?
I had selected for interior designer plus consultant.
Okay, I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am. I am very happy. I'm good.
Okay, Naveen, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who wants to join CMTI or who want to take part in CMTI? So what you want to suggest for them?
I will suggest them, ma'am, to surely join in the institute, ma'am. It would be basically I gain so much knowledge, ma'am, through the institute. So we basically thinks that our friends of the interior design means just simply drawing the plans and all. After joining in institute, I came to know about the each and minor particle, ma'am, which is being in the interior design. I suggest to them to join in CMTI institute.
Okay, Naveen, thank you for your feedback.
Ma'am.
Nice talking with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Naveen.